Got a local train. 5416 and 5341. Well, everybody, if all of you enjoyed this train video here, can you give it a big thumbs up? Smash that thumbs up button. Can you do that? When you do that, it will bring other people to my channel and check me out. Also, if you're new and you came along this train video, can you hit that red subscribe button down below and subscribe to my channel and check out my other train videos here I got plenty, so feel free to check them out. Also, hit that notification bell. Whenever I upload a train video, you'll be notified. Also, leave comments. I'd like to know what you thought about this train video today. Just curious. But until my next train video, they call me Mr. Canada National. And this train video's over. Have a pleasant one. Take care. And thanks for watching.